Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the mesh outside the game. Export FBX or OBJ with all transforms applied and clean normals. Make sure scale is consistent. 1 unit equals 1 meter, so collisions align. Once exported, drop the mesh and its packed textures into the SCP-RP asset folder. Your server will pick up files on restart. You do this now to avoid later mismatches. Finally, name materials and textures clearly so you can reference them in spawn commands without. Once the files are present, open your server's resource manifest and register the mesh path. This tells the SCP-RP framework to load the asset. Then configure collision meshes, LOD, and physics properties so movement and interactions behave predictably. Test on a local dev map to iterate quickly. Make sure network sync settings and spawn permissions are set so clients receive the mesh and can interact with it. If you follow these steps, the asset will load smoothly in multiplayer. You finish by spawning the mesh on the server and walking through interactions. Open doors, collide, and verify animations if any. If something breaks, inspect server logs for missing textures, scale errors, or network sync warnings. Logs tell you which file or property failed. Once you identify the cause, re-export with corrected origin or normals, update the manifest entry, and restart the server. A single key tip. If clients see a pink texture, it usually means a missing texture path. Check the packing and manifest first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.